Mentor Fire Department Education Specialist Don Zimmerman has started the process of creating a safety village on the property of Old Fire Station Number 1. The campus area is located on Jackson Street next to Old Council Hall. Phase 1 of the project involves rebuilding this historic station for use as a fire safety house to educate school children on injury prevention programs. So this is going to replace what you're currently using, which is just a trailer, right?
Right, just a trailer that we take to the schools. Well, the fire safety trailer wasn't really the best in designs because it was obviously small. It had to be taken down the road. So we had a lot of limitations with the trailer, and when they came to me suggesting buying a trailer like some of the other communities around, I suggested that maybe we build a building that we can use year-round and that would be solely dedicated to that. And this was just a perfect match because it was an abandoned historical building we'd like to save anyways.
So this will be the garage right here?
Right, the garage will come in here. There'll be a door right here where you step up into the hallway. We'll have a room here with the furnace and the electrical, and then the kitchen here. We're going to maintain the same windows, so the kitchen counter will look out over these windows, and then you'll see the wall there for the living room. So there'll be some fire hazards in there with a fireplace, a fake fireplace, and which will be in the wall in the center. There'll be benches down each side, extension cords, your typical fire hazards for in that room. And then also in the room is we're going to teach motor vehicle safety, seat belts, and bike safety.
So what is this area?
And then finally, you're in the bedroom. You're in the bedroom. It's going to be the last room that they enter. There's going to be fire hazards in there. There's most of the fires that are dangerous occur at night. So this way we'll show them that if the door was blocked with fire or smoke, that they wouldn't use that, they'd use their second way out.
Now the outside of this building isn't going to change that much, is that right?
No, the idea here that Chris Murky from Then Design has come up with was to try to keep it as close as possible to what it is now and what it was in the day.
Deputy Fire Chief Bob Searles says architect Chris Murky and Larry Klein, president of Klein Construction, generously donated their professional services for Phase 1 of the Safety Village project.
This is one of the first fire stations, firehouses, in the city of Mentor. And we're going to bring it back to life. We're going to refurbish a lot of the existing exterior and obviously try to maintain that. It is very unique just because of the historical value of it. We want to maintain that, and just the fact that we're creating this Mentor Safety House, which is crucial to the education of children and the safety of them.
Don Zimmerman came to us and asked if we would participate in overseeing the general contracting of this project, and we're very honored to have been asked by Don and the Mentor Fire Department to participate. We think it's a very good project. I have an 8-year-old daughter myself, and I hope she can go through this when it's finished. I think it's a very noble cause.
I understand you want to incorporate the Fire Museum into this campus.
Right. Well, an easy fit, since we're talking about historical buildings here, and children's safety is one of the original fire stations. The main fire station people remember is Station Number 1. And since we've got some antique apparatus and antique equipment in there, it's going to be a great place to showcase.
So when will the first class get a chance to visit the Safety House?
It's going to be here actually April 4th is the first class coming through, and they'll be going through April and May. All 12 public schools in Mentor and the Mentor and Lake elementary schools, along with the 2 private, St. Mary's and Mentor Christian, and we are contemplating inviting other schools too that are in the area where kids attend from Mentor, so that they are at least offered that chance.
Well, we'll be back to check in on you and see how you're doing.
That'd be great.
Okay. A state grant in the amount of $7,500 is helping to construct Mentor's Fire Safety House.